let's do some IXL. We're going to do I1 today. I1, not I1, I3 prime factorization. All right. So, question says, what is the prime factorization of 20? Okay, and I have 4 options. So I'm just going to draw out my prime factorization tree. So 20 is even, so I know that 2 times 10 is 20. I'm going to circle that because it's prime. 10 is also even. I know that 2 times 5 is 10, so 2 times 2 times 5 is my answer. 2 times 2 times 5. Submit. Nice. Next. What is the prime factorization of 9? Okay, 9 is a composite number, which is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. That's an easy one. Boom. 3 times 3 is 9. Nice. Okay, what is the factorization of 6? Same thing. 6, you can find 6 2 different ways. 6 times 1, which is not prime factorization, and 2 times 3. Okay, these both equal 6, so that's 2 times 3. Here we go. Alright, next. What is 3? Okay, 3 is a prime number itself. So the prime factorization of 3 is just 3. Awesome. Next. Write the prime factorization of 15. Order the factors from least to greatest. For example, 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, so 15 is 3. So it's odd. So 2 is not a factor, but 3 is, because I know that 3 times 5 is 15. If I didn't, I could do 15 divided by 3 on my calculator, and I would get 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. So the prime factorization is 3 times 5. So 3 space times space 5. Now let's hope that that's what that's supposed to look like. I'm not really sure. Hey, it worked. Next. Prime factorization of 6. We already know this. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Boom. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Didn't answer something. Slow down. 2 times 3 is 6. Boom. There we go. You don't want to get any wrong on IXL, or else you lose a huge smart score. Look at this. 6 questions. I'm already at 49 in 2.5 minutes, right? Take your time. You know your stuff. Super easy. The prime factorization of 2. 2 is a prime number, so it's just 2. Prime factorization of a prime number is just the same, its own number. So, I need to go to my keyboard. I need to write 2. Terrific. Did I get prime factorization of 2 again? Lucky. All right. 16. Here's an interesting one. Okay, 16. So, 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, 2 is prime. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 is prime. 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Not 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Not 2 times 2 times 2. Not 2 times 4, but 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. There's 4 of them. Good. Interesting one. Okay, 30. Same thing. Start with 30. It's even, so I'm going to split it in half. 2 times 15 is 30. Okay, 15 is odd, but I know that 3 times 5 is 15. So 2 times 3 times 5 equals 30. So let's go 2 times 3 times 5. Here we go. Done. What is the prime factorization of 15? Order the factors from least to greatest. Well, I already know that 15 is just equals 3 times 5. Okay? I've memorized that one because we've done it like 4 times already. So there we go. 3 times 5. 3 space x space 5. Enter. Excellent. 8. Prime factorization of 8. So 8. Now watch. If instead of splitting this to the right like I have been, I split it and I go 4 times 2, we still get the same thing. I just have to go off the composite numbers. 2 times 2. So it's still 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Okay, looks like you guys are returning from music, so this will be my last one. You got it. There you go. Bronze level, 4 minutes, 51 seconds. Take your time. That is how you do prime factorization.